I'm going to demonstrate how to make a panel flipboard. This is great for quizzes. All you need is a pair of scissors, craft knife, and a pen to write the questions. The paper that you need can either be paper or card. It can be any size really, depending on your needs. This one is just slightly smaller than A4 size. So the first step is you're going to have to fold your piece of paper. This will be the actual size. So this is going to be the size of your panel flipboard. Once I've finished folding, I like to just make sure that that crease is nice and strong so that this board wants to close, as it does right there. Next stage is to cut out the panels. I might put a heading here. Now, let's say, for example, I have, let's say, 3 questions. So I need to make 3 panels. Now, for this particular quiz, I'm going to have 3 questions. So I have to cut out 3 panels, but I don't cut them out entirely. I cut them out so that I can flip them up on a hinge. So here's one. Okay, there we go. And what I want to do now is I want to fold this. So again, just fold it like this. Make this fold nice and firm so it wants to be lifted up, and fold it the other way as well, and just make that nice and firm. So now I've got a little panel that's quite happy to be folded up. Okay, next, let's say, for example, I want to have a panel that's a bit themed. So maybe I'll make a theme looking one like this. Okay, I don't know what the theme is, but there you go. It's got an interesting shape. And again, fold it over both sides and finish on a fold on this side so it wants to come up. Okay, and the last one that I'll do for this one, since I've only got a small piece of paper, again, I'll give it a bit of an interesting looking theme. Like that. Okay, fold it up and fold over strongly like this, both sides, like that. On this side, I can put my questions. So once I've got my questions, I just need to fold this over, lift it up, and put the answer. And now I have my finished panel flipboard. Question, answer, question, answer, question, answer. Now you can glue these down if you like, so that it doesn't move. I like to store them like this, have it inside out, and when it's ready for students to use, I obviously put it out so it's like this, ready to be used. And that's all there is to making a panel flipboard. Have fun.